Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone who has been watching all my Vlockdown videos. I can't believe that this is the last one. If you are new, please make sure that you subscribe. And today I thought I'd show you guys my morning skincare routine for hydrating my skin. So let's do this. So it's been a tough 5 weeks and I kind of just decided that I like to treat myself in the mornings. So I make myself some iced coffee, I whip up some Hug in a Mug vanilla flavor, and that's just like my little feel good treat in the morning. I'll sip on that during my skincare routine because my skincare routine is quite lengthy and I like the products to seep in before moving on to the next one. So yeah, this is just, I just thought I'd include this in this video. So let's go on to the bathroom. So this cute device I actually got from Miniso. Unfortunately they closed down, but I like to wash my face with this. I'll use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil Free Cleanser or the Calendula Deep Cleansing Face Wash. These are both from Kiehl's. They're for normal to oily skin, but I feel like they just really deep cleanse my pores, and I wear a lot of makeup, so I like to make sure that that's always cleaned out. And I really apologize for like the toothpaste little marks on the mirror. I had a rough teeth brushing session this morning. Anyway, so I'm obviously just cleaning my face here, and then I'll rinse it off and just pat it dry and then move on to my skincare section in my room. I'll start off by taking some of my products out of my drawers that I know that I want to use, and then get started while sipping on some nice iced coffee. So I'm trying to finish this La Mer one. I'll switch up between toners. I do enjoy Kiehl's toners. I don't think I'll repurchase the La Mer one again, but this is the Calendula toner. It's actually quite nice. Today I'm going to use the Ultra Facial Toner, also from Kiehl's, and then I'll reach into my little container that I got from Checkers. It's actually a cookie jar and I'll take one of my cotton pads and just put some toner on that and then just apply it to my whole face. I love using an activating treatment essence. This one is from Kiehl's and it's kind of like a boost for your skincare routine, so your skin kind of absorbs the skincare way better, and you can apply this with your hands, but I just apply generously with a cotton pad and then I let that seep in before moving on to the next step. Now I'm going to go in with a Kiehl's spot treatment with salicylic acid in it. This is great for breakouts, and I have to be honest, like my skin has never been as bad this past year as now, and I think it has to do with the stress, a little bit more chocolates than usual, as well as some hormonal breakouts. So I just apply that to those areas and then move on to the next step and wait for that to seep in. I will clean my hands with an alcohol-based sanitizer or wash it after doing spot treatment or working on any sort of breakouts, because I don't really want to spread those germs to other places in my face. For eye creams, I also switch between a few. Either it's this retinol youth dose eye treatment. I also really love the Avo one. Like the Avo cream is amazing, so hydrating. This is the line reducing concentrate, also great for little fine lines underneath the eye. But my absolute favorite has to be this Bobbi Brown eye cream. It's a bit more on the expensive side, but I promise you guys, it's so hydrating and it just like feels so good underneath the eye and around the eye area. So I'm going to use the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with vitamin C in this as my serum, and this gives your face like that little bit of a tingling sensation. I don't know, I'm obsessed with that feeling. But another good vitamin C that I also enjoy and I wanted to share with you guys is the Elizabeth Arden Capsule Vitamin C. This is actually perfect for when you travel, because you can just pop those little capsules into your little skincare bag and you have whatever you need for when you're traveling. Now I'm a sucker for a hydrating moisturizer, so I thought let me give you guys a few different options that I love. This formula from Kiehl's really like glows on the skin. The Ultra Facial Cream has been around for many years and it's a loved product by Kiehl's fans. This is a new one infused with honey, also feels great on the skin, and of course I love the Calendula whole range. This is like a water-based cream. This affordable unique product is very hydrating. The water burst from Glam Glow has got hyaluronic acid in, so it plumps your skin. But my ultimate favorite currently is the 8-hour Elizabeth Arden moisturizer. Now this stuff is a miracle cream, you guys. It literally, like, I put it everywhere, on my décolleté, my hands, my face, my neck. Like, it's so amazing. I like carrying this with me in my handbag as well, and highly recommend it. Last but not least, I am hooked on the Helio Care gel cream. Like, it's got like a BB tint to it, so it kind of like makes it look like you have perfect skin, but it's also got a 50 SPF, which is really good. I find this to be very hydrating on my skin as well, and I just absolutely love this product. To seal everything in, I'm going to use this Hydrating Mist from Kiehl's. It smells amazing and it just adds more hydration, makes my skin look so beautiful. And then I'm going to apply a butter lipstick from, what is this? It looks like a fruit stick, but anyways. That is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Maybe you spotted a product that you for sure want to try after this lockdown. As always, stay sweet.